Alright, so check this project out. Number 25 is really cool because what it asks you to do is get a soil sample from your schoolyard. Now a little bit of caution here. You don't want to go taking your hand and digging up the soil because it might be dangerous and you might get cut or you might get infected. So you want to use gloves and you want to have an adult around. But basically what you're doing is you're trying to find out what is the soil in my schoolyard made of. Now, you're not geologists yet, so basically all you're doing is finding out what some of the particles, some of the elements that are involved in your soil. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a soil sample. All right, remember how we're going to do that is with the supervision of an adult and maybe a shovel, like a little mini shovel. Once you get that soil sample, you're going to place it in a bin and you're going to start picking out little particles that might be in there. My hunch is you might see a little piece of glass, so you put that in a box. Some sand, you might put some sand in there, maybe a little dirt, obviously, you put it in there, maybe fungi, a little mushroom that have grown in a tree and fell into the dirt, and maybe something that I have no idea. But what you want to do is you want to separate each of the elements that you find in the soil and then record what you see. And you might want to take soil samples from different corners of the schoolyard and say on the north corner this is what you're going to find, on the south corner this is what you find. And it'll be a really interesting project because you may find that that soil has a lot more than you think. You may even find a treasure. Who knows, maybe you might even find a quarter. Alright, so keep in mind that the best way to do this is with the supervision of an adult. Do not stick your hand into the soil and have a good time separating what you find.